क्या नाम है आपका?
It is more.
It is more. What do you mean by generation of computer?
It is referred to the laptop provides in the product development process.
What were the drawback the first generation?
The computer of first generation were big machines. Machines this were
जोर से बोलो. What is formatting?
formatting means changing and arranging text in a document to make it acceptable.
What does baby red underline indicate?
Maybe red underline indicate possible spelling error in the document.
What is highlighting?
Writing the text means placing a color rectangle over it.
How do you make? What is Microsoft PowerPoint?
Microsoft PowerPoint is a presentation software. It is a part of the Microsoft Office suite of applications.
What is slide?
A presentation made up of several electronic pages called slides.
Write the step to apply a theme.
To apply them on all a slide.
In
In
the
the presentation, we can follow the step given below. Choose the design.
choose the design tab.
Choose the design tab. Click the home button in the themes group. Click the V1.
Click the design we want. What is formatting?
Formatting means changing and arranging text in a document to make it acceptable.
What does baby red underline indicate?
Baby red underline indicated possible text
Spelling enemy.
spelling error in a
Error.
document.
What is highlighting?
Highlighting the text means putting a color.
What do you mean by generation computer?
A generation refers to see state of improved in the product development process.
What is robotics?
Programming computer hear and react to see other sensory stimuli. No computer exhibit full artificial intelligence.
What do you mean official intelligence?
Artificial intelligence is the branch of computer science connected with making we like human being.
वेरी गुड, वेल डन. क्या नाम है आपका?
युग शर्मा.
तुम्हारी पहले भी बन चुकी है वीडियो. What is formatting?
Formatting means changing and arranging text in a document to make it attractive.
What does baby red underline indicate?
Maybe they underline indicate possible spelling error in a document.
What is highlighting?
Highlighting means
क्या नाम है आपका?
छवि तोमर.
और दोस्तों बोलो.
छवि तोमर.
हाँ. What do you mean by generation of computer?
A generation refers to the state of improvement in the product development process.
What is robotics?
Programming computer to see, hear and read to control sensory stimuli correctly. No computer exhibit full artificial intelligence.
What do you mean by artificial intelligence?
Artificial intelligence is the branch of
Computer sources.
sources with making content with making computer we have like mass.
क्या नाम है आपका? What is formatting?
Formatting means changing and arranging text in document to make attractive.
What does baby red underline indicate?
Maybe red underline next to it is spelling yes in a document.
What is highlighting?
Highlighting using the text spelling color rectangle over it.
How do you make text bold?
To make that text bold, we can follow the steps select the
What is formatting?
formatting means change and arrange text in a document.
What does baby red underline indication?
Maybe read underline document possible heroes in a document.
Very good. What is highlighting?
Highlighting means highlighting the text in a document.
हाँ.
Means
क्या नाम है आपका? जोते बोलो।
गोविंद श्रीवास।
और जोते?
गोविंद श्रीवास।
हाँ। व्हाट इज फॉर्मेटिंग?
Formatting means changing and arranging the text in a document to make it attractive.
व्हाट डज बेबी रेड अंडरलाइन?
Maybe red underline indicate possible spelling error in a document.
हिलो मत, बिल्कुल हिलो मत। व्हाट इज हाईलाइटिंग?
Highlighting the text means placing a colored rectangle over it.
क्या नाम है तुम्हारा?
मयंक तमर।
मयंक तंवर। आगे देखो, बस आगे देखते हैं। व्हाट इज फॉर्मेटिंग?
Formatting means changing and arranging text in a document to make it attractive.
व्हाट इज हाईलाइटिंग?
Highlighting the text means playing a colored rectangle over it.
और याद करो ऐसे, ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
फॉर्मेटिंग।
Formatting means changing and arranging text in a document to make it attractive.
व्हाट डज बेबी रेड अंडरलाइन इंडिकेटर?
Maybe red underline indicates possible spelling errors in a document.
वेरी गुड। और याद करके लाना, ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
क्या नाम है तुम्हारा?
नंदिनी बघेल।
कौन सा चैप्टर है ये?
5.
5। व्हाट इज फॉर्मेटिंग?
Formatting means changing and arranging to text in a document. Formatting means changing and arranging to text and documents.
व्हाट वाज बेबी रेड अंडरलाइन इंडिकेट?
Maybe red underline indicate possible spelling errors in a document.
क्या नाम है आपका?
देवांश तोमर।
जोते बोलो।
देवांश तोमर।
हाँ, कंप्यूटर सुनाओगे?
Yes, sir.
व्हाट वाज द नेम ऑफ फर्स्ट कैलकुलेटर?
Pascal was the first calculator device.
हु इज नाउन एज द फादर ऑफ मॉडर्न कंप्यूटर?
Charles Babbage was the father of modern computer.
व्हाट इज कंप्यूटर?
A computer is an electronic machine which was at very high speed and 100% accurate calculation.
वेरी गुड, आपके तीनों एकदम सही है।